If you've ever walked through the food court at the mall on a busy afternoon, you've probably seen and even tasted what we're whipping up today. I'm talking about bourbon chicken. And although you might think this dish has Asian origins, it's actually named after Bourbon Street in New Orleans. And today, we're going to share our version of it with you. The first thing we do is cut some boneless, skinless chicken breasts or thighs into chunks. Next, we coat them with a mixture we made by combining some cornstarch, garlic powder, ground red pepper, and a touch of salt. These get sauteed in a bit of oil until the chicken is golden and no pink remains. While they finish up, we combine some jalapeno pepper jelly, a bit of soy sauce, and a generous splash of bourbon. Then we toss this flavor-packed sauce over the chicken, and there you have it, a dish that's just as good over rice, which gives it its Asian flair, or when served Mardi Gras style, with or without the beads. The recipe for our simple-to-make bourbon chicken is online now, so you can make it as soon as tonight. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a New Orleans-inspired way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Delish.